You see them here? Them very nice. Very, very nice. But you see them time of year in Canada? I don't want easy time of the year to pick apple. You know? Not an easy time. I show you the reason why. So this is the reason why. It can look good. I frost that. Until you see this start farming on my people, you know what time it is. Apple not go easy to pick. You know? Not an easy time of the year. The man them will pick apple. You know are the best, yeah, man. Are the best. I literally ice me people. Ice this. Good morning to all my beautiful subscribers and supporters. We are here. Welcome back. A day in the life in Canada. So I'm there this morning, my people, and it's not a nice look, guys. This is not snow, this is frost. The man, the frost dropped heavy last night. So what I go do? I go take a walk going to the apple orchard and I'm going to see what I go on, my people. Yeah, I go show you what I go on. It now go easy on the apple picker them this morning. At the orchard you know. And I tell you no, if you pick them up this morning, now go easy. Right down. These apples are literally half frozen. Now go easy for hold them this morning. Right now them feel like them inside. Alright, look me people, you can see as me touch it, you see it wet. You see what I go on for yourself. Just a little touch from it, I want to see it get wet. That will show you how much the frost and the apples. You can see this one, this is frost. Showing you what I go on. See it? And I wipe off the whiteness off it. See it get wet. By touching it well, it melt. So that now go easy to pick this morning. As soon as I start pick the apple them, the frost on it, I go melt and wet up your finger them. And at this so, now go easy. Now go easy, me I tell you my people. But man them used to it. So them I go pick it same way. So I want to pick one apple, I want to bite it and see how cold is the apple. You know. Cold man, cold, bad, 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 bad. So if we continue to eat this apple, maybe they are going to give me a headache. Because it's too cold, it will cramp my head. So, I'm not going to force it. So, this is the part what I don't like. This time of the year in Canada, the last part of October going into November, I don't want easy part of the journey, being here and the program. Because you can see so many apples on the tree, and this is just 2 rows. You have so many orchard left to pick. So you now go easy. But we have to just rough it up. As you can see on this leaf, the side frost actually start melt. Not an easy time of the year. Watch what I go on. You see that? A smoke that I come already. So boy, the man them will pick apple. You know are the best, yeah man. Are the best. I nah go around no are the best. So right now I'm -3 you know. So now the morning yeah. You now go easy. Pan the finger them picking the apples. And by now, can have a good look. This apple almost froze. Right now, some of them play up on the tree. No good, because them froze. So ice. No? Ice. Frozen. Now I go easy on the pick of them this morning. If you just wait for the sun and for rise, the sun I go melt off the frost and kind of thaw out the apple them. Now I go easy this morning on the finger them. So if you know, you know. Now I go pretty this morning round the see me start smoke. And I'm a non-smoker, you must know. Rain, rain. Rain of all the people. Yeah man, this is the situation we have to go through. And now, life in Canada. Yeah man. Rain. Apple. This your time I weather if you do, you know. Apple beans. This your time I do, you know, my people. Rain a fall and we still have you outside. I work tonight. We still have you outside I work tonight. And make sure the truck them get unloaded. Try go on. Yo! Outside, fully. Good job, amigo. Yeah man, good job.